Ever found yourself staring at a pile of laundry, only to discover your washing machine has decided to take the day off? Or perhaps your machine has developed a fondness for impromptu water shows, turning your laundry room into a makeshift pool. Well, enter the trusted experts at T&C Appliance HVAC Repair. With a team of highly skilled technicians, T&C Appliance HVAC Repair is your one-stop solution to all washing machine woes. These experts are seasoned pros, adept at diagnosing and fixing any issue, from the smallest hiccup to the most complicated repairs. They're like the superheroes of laundry day, swooping in to save your clothes and your peace of mind. As Durham specialists, they're not just familiar with washing machines, they're familiar with your washing machine. They understand the unique challenges that Durham residents might face and are always ready to deliver tailored solutions that ensure your appliance is running at peak performance. But what if your washing machine decides to throw a tantrum at the crack of dawn or in the dead of night? No worries. With T&C Appliance HVAC Repair, you can book your repair online anytime. Yes, you heard it right. Their online booking system is available round the clock, allowing you to pick a time that suits your schedule. And if you're in need of immediate assistance, just give them a call. Their dedicated team is ever ready to answer your queries and address your concerns promptly. They're like the best kind of friend, always there when you need them. So why not choose T&C Appliance HVAC Repair for a hassle-free laundry day? They're committed to keeping your washing machine in top condition so you can focus on what truly matters. Because at the end of the day, they believe that your time should be spent on better things than dealing with a rebellious washing machine. So wave goodbye to laundry day headaches and say hello to the washing machine repair experts at T&C Appliance HVAC Repair.